Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about trust. According to me, a human being can learn from trust breakage. A person with broken trust can never be cheated again from anyone because experiences are the best teachers. If we will never trust and afraid of doing experiences, then how can we move on? This is the fact that everyone is not trustworthy and we are very wise that we don't trust to anyone, but at the same time we have to do so in our lives at anywhere under any kind of specific circumstances. And the thing is pondered that our trust is just for breakage, especially when we come across to a very bad and very clever person, unfortunately. At this time we should use our broken trust as a weapon against that person and get rid of that person immediately, and don't give any chance for further deception. Life according to me.